Hi, welcome back. So we're going to wrap this series up right now. And I know you're saying, but we're not done yet. You didn't build an actual course planner yet. And you're right, I didn't. There's still a long way to go. But I'm at a point right now where I feel that it's time to start working in two different directions. I'm going to work with two different REST APIs in the next videos. And one of them, the first series I'm going to build, is going to be with Firebase. Now, it's pretty cool with Firebase that you can actually get up and running with a website or a REST API pretty quickly, but it also means that you need to let Angular or the client figure out a lot of the business logic for you. So we'll look at that, how we can use authentication, how we can work with Firebase. The other part that I'm going to build another series of is, of course, using my own REST API that we built in this series right here. So I'm going to also try and explain how we're going to use that inside an Angular app later to have the mean stack, right? So that's the goal of the next couple of series, and I'm going to do a few things for you. I'm going to set up just a basic directory in GitHub that you can, or a repository in GitHub that you can clone down to have a starting point for the application in either Firebase or inside the REST API in the man of mean stack. And that is going to contain all the things that we built in the Angular application so far. And then I'm going to clean it up a bit, so you only have to download it, do an npm install, and then remove the Git repository, and then you can use that as your own starting point. So that's the goal for the next series that I'm going to build. I'm wrapping this series up now, and then we're going to move on to using specifically Firebase or a man of mean as the remaining part of actually making this Angular 2 application. And then we're going to build on top of that with all the beautiful features that I'm going to make. And I've made a huge list. Look at this. Very cool. I've made a huge list of different models that we're going to implement and different pages we're going to implement. See in the first lesson in the next series, either with Firebase or MongoDB REST API. And I will, of course, add links in the series below. See you next time. Have fun.